Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for all you crypto enthusiasts out there. How to safely transfer your crypto from Coinbase to a cold wallet in 2025. If you're looking to level up your security game and protect your digital assets from online threats, this guide is for you. Let's jump right in. First off, what's a cold wallet? It's basically a hardware device that stores your crypto offline, away from hackers and internet risks. Think of it as a super secure vault for your coins. Popular options include Ledger or Trezor. Make sure you've got one set up before we proceed. Step 1. Set up your cold wallet. Unbox it, follow the manufacturer's instructions to install any necessary software, and create a new wallet if you haven't already. Remember, write down your recovery phrase and keep it safe. That's your backup. Next, log into your Coinbase account on a secure device. Go to your dashboard and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, let's say it's Bitcoin. Click on the Send or Withdraw button. Now, here's the crucial part. Get the wallet address from your cold wallet. Connect your device to your computer, open the wallet app, and generate a receive address for the specific crypto you're transferring. Double-check this address. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Paste that address into the To field on Coinbase, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Coinbase might ask for a network fee, so factor that in. Once you're sure everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email, and the transaction should process in a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. A quick tip. Always start with a small test transfer to make sure everything works. And never share your private keys or recovery phrases with anyone. In 2025, with evolving tech, keep your wallet's firmware updated for the latest security patches. There you have it, folks. You've just secured your crypto like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.